Damn. Leo put on the SSRs? That shit looks pretty beast, I'm not gonna lie. Not gonna lie.
These are SSRs too.
Oh, these SSRs?
Yeah.
Leo, that shit looks really, really good.
Yeah, I think I'm gonna keep the wheels.
Yeah, you should. It fits it really well.
Yeah.
Like really, really well. So we're gonna Jesse's right now?
Let's go.
Fuck. Yeah, unfortunately we're going to Jesse's. Oh shit, let's go.
We're going in it for real. He just got the tag.
Shut up.
Damn, I thought you fought for it. He shut off. When he was slowing down, it shut off. It fuel cut right now too when the first pull he did.
Damn. That's why you need bigger injectors.
But the second time that he did it, bro, that shit was everything. Like he even like fucking made it.
Hey guys, we are now at Jesse's house. So here's Joseph's car. So he's having a pretty bad misfire. It's one of his coal packs. So Joey knows a thing or two about you, Jay, so he's gonna replace that for him right now. But guys, Joseph is at work for the next 3 hours. We are really tempted to get this guy a full cardboard body kit. And I think we're gonna do it. I think we're gonna go through with it. So we could give him like canards, a hood vent, a fat old wing, we give him a splitter. Like the possibilities are endless, guys. So we're gonna fuck with Joseph for sure.
Rusty, this is Joseph's tools right here. Look at this shit. It looks like Joseph.
That shit look like hepatitis B.
I'm gonna need a tetanus shot.
You need a tennis shot at touching that. What's going on here?
What up?
What's going on?
I was doing my passenger axle. My passenger axle's bad. Hey, when she says play with it till it get hard.
Just play with it a little. It'll get hard.
Play with it a little bit, it'll get hard. Save it.
Miguel came through too. What? What's up? What's up, boy?
Yeah, but it's
What's up, G? How you been?
Good, you?
Good, good.
It's a bucket, huh?
It's a sexy bucket. Wolfie. Hey. For sure. So, shop foreman, what's going on here?
My boy's got a misfire in cylinder 2 and 4, and that's where both the coil packs are. My boy also got a hefty amount of miles on his car. So we thinking his coil packs are bad. But we got some more. But yeah, Joseph don't gotta touch shit because he's at work.
Damn. Hey, he gonna give you that yuck pack later, right?
He gonna toss the yuck pack.
Damn, my guy cut.
Bro, leave him alone.
Potato.
Oh. How come you don't bring a fucking mattress for me?
You got dirty? Are you fucking serious?
Uh-oh. Muchacha sucia.
That's my son.
Father like son. Dirty.
I know I'm always dirty. Stop. Hey. Stay.
I'm gonna take this off though.
Who got that yuck pack? Who got that yuckums?
It's funny because there's a shop in like East Coast.
Lock in place, and then all of a sudden it would just come out.
What's going on here?
There you go.
I think the problem lately has been my axle. Sorry, Leo. Thank you again, Leo.
What's wrong with it? Looks dirty to me.
I mean, just play with it till it gets hard and we'll be good, bro. I think I told that joke.
So-
But
It's in.
it's in? Okay, cool. I've had a hard time trying to get it in because
Oh, you got
I got
trouble?
stopped.
Oh, you got trouble?
I had trouble,
Clean my
bro.
hand with this, right?
Yeah, you'll be fine.
That's his cum rag.
That's my nut rag. But what happened was, so I had put in that one, and I had that one for a while. I've had it just sitting here, and I tried putting it in. It turns out it's the wrong one. So now I'm gonna try putting everything back together. I just bought this one right now.
Hey,
And here's my camera kits and everything.
nice, bud.
Yeah.
You're having a hard time fucking put the knuckle in, huh?
I was, yeah. Well, honestly, yeah, I am because it's just being a bitch. Oh shit.
Insulator. Wait, where's the little thing inside, the little spring?
Exactly. This is why this one misfired. Look at it.
My God.
Damn.
Fucking Joseph,
There's
bro.
a misfire right there.
Good thing I charged by the hour.
No. Take your time.
Yeah, take your time, bro. Say you broke something else, so you're gonna charge them for more labor. Alright guys, so Joey replaced 2 of the coil packs, and before it sounded like shitty, like almost like a silver. You could tell it had a misfire, so
Still might sound shit.
yeah. Oh damn, he's gonna kick his bumper like that? Alright, but yeah. At first it probably just gonna sound the same, but we'll see. Hopefully it sounds better.
This is an actual moment of truth because I don't even know if it's gonna work.
For real. Please work.
Alright, that's even worse. No, don't turn it on.
Sounds like a vacuum leak.
It probably does. Maybe because I have
Bro,
this not
these
tight.
are
No,
not
no,
tight.
no. But
Those
listen,
are not
no,
tight
I
in.
did that because I didn't want to put it all the way back yet until I knew it was
You're a
good.
fucking idiot.
Hey, so it probably is good then. So fuck both of these. I did this so I
Bro, I
could see
felt
if it was
this and I
done.
was
I
like,
didn't
bro,
even think about that part. I was tripping out.
Just finishing up tightening the bolts on the intake manifold. Yeah, we totally did not try starting it before right now with the intake manifold loose. We totally did not do that, guys.
Look at my fucking
That did not happen. That didn't happen,
Hey, hold the
guys.
hood up real quick.
That's why it's gonna work perfectly right now.
Shut up. Joseph,
That sounds way better.
another gift from Steven Joseph. It's just
Leave it, let it run. It hasn't been running.
well, you can put the hood back on.
Whoa, bro.
Hey, reset
Hold
the
on, hold on. Put it in.
I said put the hood top back.
Oh, I think you put it down.
I still
Don't say anything. Don't say anything.
This is on my bucket list to drive a slammed ass.
Alright guys, they gotta go do that mechanics test drive, make sure everything's good to go, but the car sounds way healthy. Way more healthier than before. Those are the older coil packs. But yeah, I wish I would have showed you guys before, but the car sounded like shit, guys.
It like sounded like blah, 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 blah.
Yeah, it had an obvious misfire and it did not sound like strong at all, but now the car sounds healthy, so.
You have the angle, dumbass. Angle.
Hey, doesn't he drive a?
He drives one. Oh my god, he's an idiot. Joseph's gonna get mad. This is get the fuck out of the car. Come forward. Just come forward. Okay, now just go straight back from there. Straighten out the wheel and then just go back from there. Now start turning your wheel. Fucking rookie.
Who's a rookie?
Who's a fucking rookie? Just send it. This is what happens when you run before you can walk.
You stupid. They grew up so fast.
Barely. There you go. See, now he's growing up.
What man, is the IS300 ready to be released to the customer?
Yeah.
But what are we gonna tell them? Well, what are we gonna unplug to make it seem like the car's just?
Are
fucked?
we really gonna do that?
Yeah, let's fuck with them. So we're gonna unplug something and make it seem like the car is just fucked. So yeah, well, let's see how it runs with that without the math. Nah, it's not gonna do anything.
Yeah.
All right, guys, Joey barely pulled out the math, so we'll see.
Why is it so idle?
I know he doesn't even need it.
Be like, bro, it won't start anymore. Like, I don't know. Fuck.
I don't know.
Yeah, dude, I don't know. All right, we gotta be so fucking.
No. Grab a hammer. Grab this little hammer, and be like, "Hey, bro, start it." It's just smack something lightly, and then plug it back in, and then have him turn it on. All right, you're good. Close the shit.
Can you lower it like slowly?
All right, guys. So yeah, you guys already know we have to mess with Joseph. So we're in the math is unplugged. So when he comes, just gonna be like, "Yeah, dude, replace the coil packs," and it doesn't turn on anymore. Like we gotta be so serious about it, bro. Like I don't know. We're sorry. Should we like set up the camera like low key? Like I could put it like down right here. Yeah. I'm gonna put it like honestly, I don't know, dude. Fuck.
Hey, we'll just put it like right here on the chair. Axle.
For what? That's why you think it's jumping?
Did this one fit better?
This one, everything went in like just right. Didn't fight me at all.
I think it's your rotors, dude.
Yeah, your rotors are probably bad.
Hey, look, it won't turn on, right? I'm turning the key.
No way.
Bro, you did that and something clicked over here.
Oh, que la chingada. Yeah.
The fan turned on.
Well, no, it's just the battery.
Oh.
My battery is going back. Watch. Turn it, Joy.
Is it in park?
Oh, battery's dead. I gotta charge it. Never mind.
Pues.
I got too excited, okay? Stop!
Alright guys, any second now Joseph's about to pull up, so I'm gonna set the camera right here, and when I have Joseph like right here, so we're gonna try to be as serious as possible. Hopefully Joseph cries a little bit, that's the goal. Alright.
Do you turn on the hose, Joey, or?
Alright guys, Joseph is almost here. We need to get him like, I need to back up the camera a little bit. Yeah, I need to back up the camera. But yeah, bro, I don't know what the fuck happened, bro. Alright, Loki, we should put like.
Yeah, I'm gonna put this under.
Okay.
Like, put the lens on that so it, looks like.
How's that look? Oh, yeah.
Hey, Jojo told me that my car sounds like a Subaru too.
But
I told you, that shit sounds like a Subaru.
Like it sounds like my car. I was like, yeah, everyone told me that.
Fuck me.
We live right now? We live?
We live. Alright, we live, guys. We live.
Where's Joseph? Oh, there he is.
Dumbass.
Dumbass. Hey, guess what? My car.
Hey, really?
Yeah.
Hey,
I drove it down the street.
Hey, buddy.
it was the axle then, or what?
Well, it was that too because it doesn't hop anymore, and I step in the shell.
Today because it's not the spring's not compressed yet, so I haven't.
Honestly,
what's wrong
we should let Joey explain it a bit.
Because okay, I'm not even gonna lie. I didn't like all I did, bro.
Hey, watch out.
I didn't really. I just helped them with the tools and
Well, as
stuff.
long as your mom's cool, they keep in here for what it is.
Oh yeah, my dad said till Friday. So we're gonna keep getting at it till then.
What's wrong with it? What's wrong with it?
Ah, fuck.
It's not the coil pack, or what?
I changed them and I changed it back and that shit was not having it.
Well, just go like, oh no, it's kind of like worse. Like I don't know,
It
like
doesn't even
start
turn
it.
on now, bro.
Just shut up. Now you're lying, bro.
They for
No,
real,
like not like dead ass, like
Bro,
dead ass.
we're-
Like,
I haven't
been
tried
at
to
it.
hold
My
the throttle, though.
My grandpa was even trying.
you gotta like watch. I don't know. Let's go.
Let's go look.
Yeah. Because we swapped them out and it's like worse now, and then we swapped back the older
So
ones
does
back.
that mean I have to buy an Accord? Because I really want to get one of those new Accords.
Oh, hey Joseph, you know what? I just saw your prelude on offer up again. You could probably
I'm not
start
buying
that.
it.
The prelude on offer.
You guys are always joking, so I don't know. But still, that sucks though.
Nah, and for real though, like that shit's honestly, I don't know. I literally made sure that it was the right coil pack. And that shit's
I mean, we tried, dude. Like.
I put the old ones back. I took it apart, put the new ones on, and like it was like worse than what it was before. So then I put the old ones back on, and it's fucking worse.
Just let me know what time you want to pick you up tomorrow or something.
Hey, for real though, I can put the old.
Hey,
I
Joel,
can
your-
switch
your-
them.
Your dad said he doesn't mind, right?
Yeah, he doesn't care.
Yeah. Because I
I
mean,
mean,
at
I
least
told
we
you
have
what he said
time.
yesterday.
For real though, I can put the old ones back in again, like for a third time, because both of them are fucked up.
Just try turning it on.
Oh, if we're fucking kidding with you, I wouldn't tell you I'd redo it again. It's too dark right now.
Yeah.
No, he was hitting the car. He was
I'll
fucking
sit it down, sit it down, sit it down. I'm fucking around with you.
Turn it on?
Is it really not working or what?
No, just turn it on.
Oh, like it's really not working.
Wait, what the fuck?
Wait, what the fuck?
Hey, what did you do?
Wait, why is it reading without the map? Nah, we unplugged the map. We're just-
Wow, what the fuck?
Go ahead.
Wow, okay, Lexus, thanks.
Go ahead, it's good. It got used to not having the map and it's not even working. I was like, what the fuck?
Wow, the car went in. We unplugged the map.
No, it wasn't the map.
Wow.
Go ahead.
Ooh, not super mom.
Hey, we just unplugged the map, but the third time it actually got it.
Yeah.
Just
Wait,
it's
what
good.
No, they,
It
like,
wasn't
it was
supposed
the
to
actual
start
code.
like
It was
that.
like yours. But we're like, oh.
Did he get scared when I started hitting the headlight?
Yeah, I'm like,